Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be playing some games on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. We'll be testing out different kinds of games to see just how well this device performs when playing those games. We'll even be testing out some Xbox Gamepass. As you can see, I got that Xbox controller up at the top left. Now, there won't be too much talking in this video. It's literally what the title says that this video is. Just me playing some games on this device right here, and then y'all can let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Now, before we get started, real quick, I just want to mention that for some reason I've been having a small issue with my video editor. For some reason, in certain parts of my videos, it's been dropping frame rates in small parts. So if that does happen in this video, just know that it is not the device itself stuttering or anything like that. It has to do with my video editor. I will do my best to get that straightened out. But let's go ahead and get started.
Down. Yeah, copy. Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tags and help them return to the battle.
Whew, this game looks so good on this display right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I gotta tell you guys, playing games on this phone is so enjoyable just because of this big display alone. And the colors look absolutely beautiful on here too. Let's do one more race. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. Look at the graphics. My goodness, that looks so good. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! It's getting harder and harder each time. All right, one more. Oh, this is easy money right here. This is easy money. Oh, it's coming up quick. It's coming up quick. Come on, come on, come on. No. Did I win? Did I win? Oh, I lost. Look at that, by not even a second. I thought I had that one. Oh, well. But graphics are definitely amazing with this game right here on this device. Looking so good.
Someone's gotta put a stop. I'm hungry. That's lunch. I'm going full force. Don't duck it out.
No. Oh. No. Come on. Woo. That was close.
I'm going full force.
Oh, really? Oh. No, no, no. Oh, come on. Let me do something. Woo! Nice. Alright, so taking it over to Xbox Game Pass, as you can see now on that Xbox controller, and I'm able to control the device with the controller itself. And I do want to point out that I also have a strong Wi-Fi signal as well. We are playing on the cloud. Let's go ahead and play some Injustice. Go ahead and fight Batman.
Fighters
Woo.
approaching Fortress of Solitude.
Alright, here we go, here we go.
You gave me the kryptonite.
This looks so good. It looks just like a movie.
I hope
Woo.
I never have to.
Begin.
Oh, come on. He ain't even got no kryptonite on him. How's he hurting Superman? That's right, that's right. Woo! Dang, look at that. Get him. Like a boss. Oh no. Oh, he got me. Dang. Alright, that was good. That was good. I'm not gonna lie. That was good. Come on, get up, get up. Come on, you can't lose. I do notice a little bit of latency here and there, and I think that's because we're playing on the cloud. But it wasn't that bad. I noticed it here and there, but not a whole lot. So gameplay was actually pretty good. Let's go ahead and play one more game. All right, this time I'm picking the Flash, since we got my boy Flash right here at the top right corner, and we will fight. Let's see. I don't know. Who do I want to fight? Who do I want to fight? Gonna fight Black Adam.
Fighters approaching Gorilla City.
Here we go.
Shazam's death should have been
I'm sorry, this looks so good.
Begin.
Alright. Woo!
losing momentum.
He's just too fast. Can't get him. He's too fast. Oh no, what happened? Oh, the controller disconnected. I don't know how that happened. But we are back. No. Alright, I want to see what this looks like. There we go. Oh, did he block it? Oh, because I beat him. Alright. Am I able to use it again? Let's see. Oh, I can't. Ooh, ooh.
Field conduct's there. Not today.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh, he got me. Alright, he got it. Honestly, I don't know how to block in this game. I'm trying the top key, but it won't block. There we go. There we go. Yay! That's my boy Flash. That was nice. That's right. That's right.
The Flash wins.
Yeah. So there we go, gaming with that Xbox Game Pass. As you can see, we had a little bit of trouble there. I don't know why this disconnected from the phone like that. I was able to connect it back right at an instant, but the fact that that happened, I don't know, kind of worries me if you're playing this for a long time. But as far as gameplay goes, it was actually pretty good on this, and graphics just look amazing on this device. Very, very cool. So there you have it, gaming on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. To be totally honest with you guys, I have never gamed so much before on my device. It has been so enjoyable because of this big display, and now that we have that camera punch hole cutout kind of hiding under the display, it just makes it so much better. Not that the camera hole punch cutout on the Z Fold 2 got in the way, but this just gives us that true all-screen experience, and just being able to game on a big display like this where the colors just look so nice and vibrant, they just pop out at you. I mean, it just makes the gaming experience so much more enjoyable. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.